Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. I'm sure you're here in that airplane. We are 5 minutes from the Fort Lauderdale airport, so if you see any inventory on our site that you like, you can click on the contact us button and we can set you up for an inspection, or you can send an inspector here. Let's talk about this beautiful 1991 Ford Mustang. It has all of the modifications I would ever want if I was in high school. Motor has aluminum heads, Holley intake, tubular control arms up front. It's a 5-speed Tremec. Rear end has 373 gears. Interior is all original and it runs perfect ice cold air. If you want to find out more information on this ride, click on the link below. It's going to give you transport, financing, and it's going to let you know if we're going to be sending it to auction or if we're going to retail it. Let's do it. We're going to start off with the overall condition. I'd rate this a 7 out of 10. It's painted in emerald green metallic. We actually had the fenders painted because there was a small scratch on the passenger side. We had the air condition serviced and we went through the whole entire vehicle. This thing runs amazing, extremely quick for the year, and the front end is extremely nice as well. Bumperettes show really well. I don't know if that's the right wording, but there's like a rubber bumper that they have on here. All of your metallics very nice. Your headlights are in great shape. You do have some hood pins to hold back all that power. Yeah, Cervini hood. Fiberglass. So just pop the hood. So there's a whole bunch of stuff done here. So we have aluminum heads. We still have factory AC, Holley Systemax intake manifold, upgraded throttle body, 65 millimeter, cold air intake. It has the ProFlow mass airflow sensor. You got a fuel pressure gauge here that runs to the actual fuel rail. It's a nice clean example. It has MSD 6A as well, so that's your multi-spark discharge. Camber plates, tubular control arms, the rear has Bilsteins. This thing handles like it's on rails. Posi traction, 373 gears. What more could you ask for? 5-speed. It also has an upgraded cooling system, so it has electronic fans, which is great. Driver's side's extremely clean. Your roof line's nice, there is no rust. Please take a moment to click on the link below so you can see all the underside shots. Rubbers are in great shape. Someone has painted over the rear rubbers. I actually tried to find the replacement covers from LMR, but they only make them for the GT model, so that's silly. Come on, LMR, let's do this. When you open up the door, there's no sagging. Interior is extremely clean. You have your little your pouch right there for your map. Your power support works as well. Your seat does move forward and rear. And then from 90 to 93, this is the steering wheel you will see. Has minor wear on the left side. You do have a set of aftermarket gauges right there as well. It's showing us how many miles? 76,000 miles, which I believe to be true. It's never been taken apart, so it's never been in an accident. You've got your 5-speed transmission right there. Upgraded stereo, so it has a 1,000-watt stereo with a little subwoofer, one of those square kicker subs in the back. I think they're called like L7 subwoofers. Really neat. I'll open up the trunk right now. I am going to include a host of accessories or parts that go with it. You don't need to do anything. You could fly in and drive this home with no issues. Tires have 95% tread. They're probably going to have 80% after I finish doing the video. Trunk is extremely nice, no rust. Roof line's nice, the glass is nice. So you have your battery box, your battery's been relocated to the rear with a Moroso box. We do have new gaskets throughout, exhaust gaskets, and then a really, really nice cover. This is the perfect cover to put if you're gonna store it. And these keep on going up in value. They're just great pieces. Oh yeah, there's the little sub. See the little kicker square? I think it was L7. Yeah, L7. Sounds good. It actually helps that all this stuff's back here for the test drive because these things are loose as a goose. Passenger side's extremely nice. The same issue with the rubbers, but that's a common issue. The door opens up nicely on this side. You can see that the dash is extremely clean. Your door cards are very nice. Power windows work as they should. This is just a fun car. You can start it up easily. Let me start it up so you can hear it. Brakes have been upgraded with slotted and drilled rotors up front, new pads, and the brakes are recently done, were recently done. Start it up. Starts up like that every time. It sounds like it has a mild cam, maybe a 303 cam. Oh yeah. Let's jump in it and go for a ride. Oh man, this is my dream car in high school right here. My buddy Matt Bodie had one, and he had a silver one, and I think his brother had a red one. And close friends, and that's what got me into this right here. Steering wheel is extremely nice. Horn works, air condition works, and it's cold as heck. We are low on fuel. I put about 5 gallons in it a couple days ago, but Will's been driving it for the pictures, so I'm sure if we run out of gas, I'm gonna be so. Shifter feels good. We've got great voltage. Temperature's going up. Our fuel gauge is showing that we're almost empty. 76,000 miles. Water temperature is good at 180 degrees. Great oil pressure. Let's take this thing for a ride. We get tons of calls coming in. So if you guys want to call us in regards to any of our inventory, just call us at 954-363-2261. Sometimes we don't answer immediately because we're doing these videos. We only have a couple guys here. But Will, myself, Yasid, all the guys, my mom, which is Gloria, we'll get back to you. Let's go. We're inside right now. We have the windows up because the AC is nice and cold. Going into second gear here. No, it's smooth. I love fox bodies, man. It's just like lightweight, good power delivery. I feel like this probably makes 290 wheel horsepower based on how it's set up, and the gears really help as well. Whenever you do the aluminum heads on these cars, they just does great, especially if you do a cam package, which I believe this has based on the sound. We're in third gear, it just pulls nicely. We'll turn left here, we'll go over some bumps, we'll get you guys some really nice artistic shots and let you decide if this is the right ride for you. Right now we have a total of 6 fox bodies in stock. So this is the only one we have that would be called a notchback. The other ones are convertibles or of the like GT convertibles essentially. This is really hard to find. It's in really good shape. You don't have to do anything. The suspension feels good. I'm very, very pleased with it. Upgraded stereo. Let's go. We'll get you some outside runners too. Let's do it. Nice and smooth in a second. Going over some bumps right now. Oh, it feels good. Nice divot here, no issues. Living my past right here, baby. Feels good, clutch feels good. Let's get one roller down this road real quick. Keep it nice and simple, AC's off. Hopefully you can hear the muffler and all the sounds this thing's about to make. You ready? Yeah, baby. Brakes feel great too. Woo! Hear the intake? Fourth gear, fifth gear, no slippage at all. Just a good rudder. Oh man, so responsive. Oh, I could drive this every day. Hope you guys are enjoying this test drive. We're going to bring it out to where we can stretch its legs, let you decide this is the right 91 notchback for you. This thing is set to the tilts. I love it. To the tilts. What is that? We're going to just do 2 pulls, let you decide this is the right one for you.
Don't buy it so I can buy it.
Yeah, don't buy this car. Please, please do not call us. Oh, it's smooth.
Daily for sure. I like daily.
I hope you guys enjoyed that test drive as much as I did. Please be sure to like and subscribe. See ya.